हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू यूपीएससी अंडरस्कोर एथिक्स एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑनलाइन। आज के लेक्चर 16 में हम लर्न करेंगे द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सोसाइटी एंड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन इन इनकलकेटिंग वैल्यूज इन एन इंडिविजुअल। हम देखेंगे कि सोसाइटी किस हिसाब से एक इंडिविजुअल को शेप करती है एंड कैसे एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन को शार्पन करती है। बट उसके पहले फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, Telegram for your free Hindu paper, and do not forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube and hit the bell icon for further notification. But before starting, measures must always in a progressive society be held superior to men who are after all imperfect instrument working for their fulfillment. महात्मा गांधी। ये कोटेशन आप कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं। ये नॉर्मली आपको बोला जाता है कि कैसे एक सोसाइटी को हर वक्त प्रोग्रेसिव होना चाहिए, बिकॉज द बिगेस्ट रूम इन द वर्ल्ड इज द रूम फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट। एंड ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक कोट हो सकता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। एथिक्स, द रोल ऑफ सोसाइटी इन इनकलकेटिंग वैल्यूज। सोसाइटी ऑब्वियसली प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल एंड इंडिविजुअल अपने सोसाइटी से काफी ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है। ऐसा ही एरिस्टोटल ने भी बोला है कि मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल एंड ऑब्वियसली सोसाइटी प्लेज अ वेरी इंट्रिंसिक रोल और इज द इंट्रिंसिक पार्ट ऑफ हिज लाइवलीहुड एंड दस हिज एग्जिस्टेंस। इट हेल्प्स इन कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग, responsiveness and resilience. So society becomes one of the most important part in building up values in an individual. So what is an ideal society and what opportunities it gives? Obviously, physical, intellectual and morally, it gives that opportunity to grow, explore its potential, shape its attitude, beliefs, moral and ideals, and obviously develops the value of hard working, honesty, tolerance and other important things. Discard negative values, discard social tensions, and protect the nameless, faceless, and voiceless to ensure justice and equality, as our Constitution also does. So, how to achieve an ideal society? Obviously, education plays a very important role in this, and society should always give preference to value education, where value is inculcated along with maths and science. Internal and as well as external development is very important, and also mistakes should be celebrated, not looked down upon, because it gives to rise an innovative society. And obviously the individual becomes more aware about its surrounding, and opportunity should be open to everybody irrespective of anything. This is how you can achieve an ideal society. Now we will see role of education in inculcating values. Obviously, education plays a very important role in shaping the characteristics of an individual to enrich its character, and society being a school being a control society provides that right environment. And obviously, teachers are the main role model after their family. Let's see value education in India. Value education is a very important part of Indian traditions. We have been taught by our parents, by our elders, that you should respect others, you should take responsibility, be honest, be caring, should have integrity, should be empathetic towards others. But this is the reason is because of the tradition of India, as the system of ashram system which was prevalent in the Asian India. Then in the modern India there was a commission known as University Education Commission, which mention loyalty, courage, discipline, self-sacrifice, and spirituality as the important part of our education. And after that, second education commission added some part which was efficiency, good temper, cooperation, integrity, and discipline, so that an overall individual is developed in a society and our society becomes progressive, as Mahatma Gandhi have said. So, how to make value education more effective? First is awareness. Awareness with respect to welfare of mankind. Science and technology development should be only with respect to welfare of mankind as well as other kind. As we have seen in the recent year, because recent months, the things that are going around us is unprecedented. And why this is happening? Because of our focus, one focus which was us, and it was not caring others, and it gave rise to such situation. So now our strategy should be mankind as well as other kind. Secondly, common values should be discovered from different traditions, so that a whole world becomes one. And teachers should be developed in such a way that they are ethical and have moral values and moral stand, and they can inculcate this in their student as well. Fourthly, to make choices, the children should be trained in such a way that they can make proper choices in problematic situations or in ethical dilemma, and that basis and principles should be taught as we are learning in ethics and integrity. And fifth is juvenile delinquency. This situation is very bad, and it should not be done, but in the recent years, due to nuclear family and both parents working, the focus has shifted towards money rather than child, and child being the basket of energy is becoming more aggressive and not getting love. He's getting towards unwanted things, leading to him becoming very much influenced by outside world, giving rise to increase in rate of crimes with respect to children, and this should be stopped. So an adult society should be looking towards these children, so that these children doesn't lose their childness, and they mature in a proper time and way. So hope you have liked this video and understood the importance of society and education. It was somewhat fast, but I hope this is quite a cliche topic. So I wanted to complete the syllabus. Hope you have liked. If any suggestions or comment you have, please let us know. Thank you for watching.